And as you see here that the command remained highlighted, there's an option up here called toggle continuous command recall. If you have that off, the command will only work once, okay? And then it'll turn off. If you have this on, you can use it multiple times. Okay, so basically I was just going to get you to do some basic trimming and calculating. And the one neat thing about trim function that I really like, actually, above Rhino, is that when you're trimming, you don't really have to select anything but what you want to trim. So for instance, we're just going to pick something and it'll just trim it. Okay. You may, if you do an undo here, let's undo that. You can do that also. If you just pick this side or this side here, you can trim that away. Now, one thing about that is the curves have to be on the same plane here. Obviously, if they're not on the same plane, they won't trim. Okay. So once you get some geometry ready here, let's go ahead and trim that out. Okay. Let's go ahead and do some filleting. Filleting. Default fillet is 0.5. Okay, so let's just do some filleting here. Okay, let's turn our command recall on. So we're going to go fillet. Just going to work our way around. Okay, looks like we lost that one line. Let's go ahead and draw a line in there. Turn our object snap to endpoint. Just put that back in there. Okay. So we got a basic shape here. And a lot of times in your curve geometry, always make sure that you merge them together as one curve, especially if you're going to do any like extruding geometry, or if you're going to use it as a containment region. It's always a good idea to merge those. So I'm just going to go to the top view. And actually, let's go to the front view maybe. Okay. So I'm just going to select all those. Sorry. And I'm just going to do a merge. Okay. So you'll see that I have one continuous curve.